Okay, we're going to do some more work with solving equations. Remember the last time we looked at solving equations where we looked to get letters to the left and numbers to the right with the equal sign in the middle, and if there was a term that wasn't what it should be, we needed to eliminate it but keep the equation balanced and eliminate it from both sides. So we're going to just pick up from there. So let's do a recap of one or two questions that were similar to last time out. Okay, let's go for 5 bracket 3x minus 2 close the bracket is equal to 20. So we're going to multiply both these terms by 5. So 5 lots of 3x is 15x. There's a minus in the middle. 5 lots of 2 is 10. That's equal to 20. So remember, it's letters to the left and numbers to the right. The equal sign is in the middle. So it's 15x. Okay, well that's on the left hand side. It's a letter term, that's what it should be. But minus 10 shouldn't be on the left hand side, that's a number term. So how do we eliminate minus 10? We need to add 10. But to keep the equation balanced, you'd need to add 10 to both sides. So 15x will be equal to 20 plus 10 is 30. And then bring the 15 down, divide. That'll be x equals 30 over 15. And 30 divided by 15 is 2. Final answer is x equals 2. Let's try example 2. Okay, so let's go for 7 bracket 3x plus 1 is equal to minus 14. Okay, so 7 lots of 3x is 21x, 7 lots of 1 is 7, that's equal to minus 14. Letters to the left, numbers to the right, the equal signs in the middle. 21x is okay, but 7 is not, so I need to eliminate it by taking away 7, but I'll need to keep the equation balanced and take away 7 from both sides. Okay, so 21x is equal to minus 14 minus 7. Just be careful with that. So we're at minus 14 and we're moving down 7, which will bring us down to minus 21. Then it's x equals minus 21 over, bring the 21 down. So 21 divided by 21 is 1, so minus 21 divided by 21 would be minus 1. Final answer, x equals minus 1. Okay, we're next going to try a question which has got letters and numbers on both sides. So let's go for this one. 5x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 7. Okay, so remember we're keeping the theme of letters to the left and numbers to the right, with the equal sign in the middle. So remember that this is the left hand side and that is the right hand side, and the equal sign is in the middle. So letters to the left, numbers to the right. So let's just start from the left hand side and check what we've got. Well, 5x is a letter term, so that's okay, that's what it should be. Okay, 1 is a number term, so we don't want number terms on the left, so we need to eliminate that. Let's now check on the right hand side. Well, we want letters to the left and numbers to the right, so 7's okay, that's on the right hand side, but 3x is on the right hand side, and that's a letter term, so it shouldn't be there. So we're going to have to look to get rid of the 1 and get rid of 3x. So remember, it's letters to the left, numbers to the right. 5x is okay, that's on the left hand side, that's what it should be. 1 is a number term, it shouldn't be on the left hand side, so it would need to be eliminated. Number term should be on the right, so 7 is okay, but 3x should not be on the right hand side, that will need to be eliminated. So we're going to start from left to right. Okay, so 5x is okay, but 1 is not, so we're going to get rid of it, so we're going to eliminate it, but we need to keep things balanced, so we're going to take away 1 from both sides. Okay, so it's eliminated from that side. At this point, it's just a case of saying what you see is left. Now, on the left-hand side, these two have been eliminated, so all that's left from the left-hand side now is 5x. So let's write that down. And let's check what's left on the right-hand side. Well, 3x is still left, and then I've got 7 take away 1. So just package that all together. You've got the 3x, that's still there. And then 7 take away 1, well, that moves down to 6. And then we start the process again. So we're looking for letters on the left and numbers on the right. So 5x is okay, that's what it should be. 3x, though, should not be on the right hand side. It's a letter term that shouldn't be on the right hand side, so I need to eliminate it. But to keep that theme of keeping the equation balanced, I need to eliminate it from both sides. Okay, so 5x take away 3x is 2x, and just say we see on this side, well, the 3x take away 3x, that cancels out and just leaves me with that 6. 2x equals 6. I'm now going to bring the 2 down, divide, so it'll be 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, final answer is 3. Okay, we're going to stick with this and try a few more examples. Example 4, 8x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 12. Okay, so equal signs in the middle. There's the left hand side, there's the right hand side. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is a letter term, it's on the left hand side, that's where it should be. 3 is a number term. Okay, so that shouldn't be there, so I need to take it away, but I'll need to keep the thing balanced and take away from both sides. Then it's a case of saying what's left. Well, what's left on this side is 8x. And what's left on this side? Well, on this side I've still got 5x, and then I've got 12 take away 3 is 9, so I'm left with 5x plus 9. Okay, let's repeat the process again. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is okay, but 5x is a letter term, and that shouldn't be on the right hand side, so I need to get rid of it from both sides. Okay, 5x take away 5x cancels out. Say what you see, 8x take away 5x leaves you with 3x, and on this side I'm left with just 9. Then I bring the 3 down, divide, 9 divided by 3, and the final answer then is x equals 3. Okay, example 5, 9x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 36. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, equal signs in the middle. 9x is fine, but 4 shouldn't be on that side, so I need to get rid of it, but I'll need to keep the thing balanced and get rid of it from both sides. That leaves me with 9x on the left hand side, and I've still got 5x on the right hand side, and then 36 take away 4 is 32. Repeat the process again. Letter terms on the left, number terms on the right. 9x is fine, but 5x shouldn't be on the right hand side. It's a letter term, so I need to get rid of it. Keep the equation balanced, get rid of it from both sides. Okay, 9x take away 5x is 4x is equal to, what's left on this side? 32. Bring the 4 down, divide, 32 divided by 4, final answer x equals 8. Okay, example 6. 8x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 11. Letter terms on the left, number terms on the right, the equal signs in the middle. 8x is okay, but 6 is not, so I need to get rid of it, but get rid of it from both sides. Leaves me with 8x on that side, and 5x plus 5 on this side. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is okay, but 5x is not, so I need to get rid of it from both sides. 8x take away 5x is 3x, and what's left on this side is just 5, and then I bring the 3 down, divide, 5 over 3. There's an extra dimension with this question, which is an answer that's not a whole number. That's fine, as long as it's fully simplified, that's okay. Okay, example 6. Let's go for 8t minus 3 is equal to 5t plus 7. Letter terms on the left, number terms on the right, the equal sign is in the middle. Okay, so I need letter terms on the left and number terms on the right. 8t is on the left hand side, that's where it should be, but minus 3 shouldn't be on the left hand side, it's a number term. So how do you cancel out minus 3? You need to pay 3 back, add 3 on, but keep the equation balanced and add 3 to both sides. Okay, the minus 3 plus 3 cancels. What's left on this side? Well, what's left on this side now is 8t, so write it down. What's left on this side? Well, you've got 5x, I should write that as a 5t. Keep it all the same letter. Then I've got 7 plus 3, which is 10. Okay, 8t equals 5t plus 10. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8t is okay, but 5t shouldn't be on the right hand side, so I need to get rid of it from both sides. Okay, so 8t take away 5t is 3t. What's left on this side? Well, they two cancel out, and that just leaves me with 10. And then bring the 3 down, divide, and it's 10 divided by 3, final answer. Okay, example 7. 6p minus 5 is equal to 2p minus 1. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, the equal sign is in the middle. Okay, 6p is fine, but minus 5 isn't, so I need to get rid of it from both sides. How do you cancel out minus 5? You add 5. But I need to add 5 to both sides to keep the thing balanced. Okay, that leaves me with 6p on the left hand side. And then what am I left with on the right hand side? We'll just take our time. We've definitely got 2p there. And really take your time with the next bit. We've got minus 1 plus 5. So think really carefully about that. Think about a number line. We're at minus 1 and we go up 5. That would bring us up to 4. Okay, repeat the process. Letters terms to the left, number terms to the right. Okay, so 6p is fine, but 2p is not. So I need to get rid of 2p from both sides. 2p minus 2p cancel out. 6p take away 2p is 4p. 4p is equal to 4. P is equal to 4 divided by 4, and p is equal to 1, final answer. Okay, example 8. 9t minus 6 is equal to 5t minus 4. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, the equal sign is in the middle. 9t is okay, but 6t is not, so I need to eliminate minus 6 from both sides by adding 6 on. Okay, what's left on this side? 9t. What's left on this side? 5t. Okay, just be careful, minus 4 plus 6, so we're down at minus 4 and we add on 6. So use a number line if required with that one, that'll bring me up to 2. Okay, so letters to the left, numbers to the right, 9t is okay, but 5t is a letter term, it shouldn't be on the right hand side, so I need to eliminate it from both sides. 9t take away 5t is 4t. What's left on this side? Just 2. And then t is equal to 2 over 4. Okay, I wouldn't get a whole number there, but I can definitely simplify 2 quarters. I can simplify that down to 1/2, and I should always take advantage of the opportunity to do so. Okay, let's try an example 9. 7q plus 11 is equal to 4q plus 1. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, equal signs in the middle. Okay, 7q is fine, but 11 is not, so I need to get rid of it, but get rid of it from both sides. Okay, what's left on the left hand side? Just 7q. What's left on the right hand side? 4q, and just really take your time here. I've got a plus 1 minus 11. So think about if it was 1 degrees outside and it got colder by 11 degrees, it went down by 11. 1 take away 11, take your time, minus 10. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 7q is fine, but 4q is not, so I need to get rid of it, but I need to get rid of it from both sides. 7q take away 4q is 3q, and then left on this side is minus 10. I then bring the 3 down and divide, so that will give me q equals minus 10 over 3, which can be simplified, but check it, and it's the final answer. Okay, example 10. 8q plus 11 is equal to 2q minus 3. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, equal signs in the middle. Okay, 8q is a letter term, it's on the left hand side, that's fine, that's what it should be. 11 shouldn't be on the left hand side, it's a number term, so I need to eliminate it. But I need to get rid of it from both sides to keep the thing balanced. So what's left on this side? 8q. What's left on this side, take your time. 2q is left on this side. And what else? Well, I've got minus 3, minus 11. So just be really careful with that. Really careful. You're at minus 3 and you move down 11. Okay, so think about if it was minus 3 degrees outside and it gets colder by 11, would bring you down to minus 14. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, equal signs in the middle. AQ is fine, but 2q is not, so I need to eliminate it but get rid of it from both sides. AQ take away 2q is 6q, and what's left on this side is only just minus 14. Okay, then as usual I'll bring this 6 down and divide, and that will give me q equals minus 14 over 6. Now that won't give me a whole number, but I should definitely look to simplify where possible when I can. Divide top and bottom by 2, and that will give me minus 7 over 3, final answer.